Howdy, folks. I am sorry to hear about your loss, stolen, broken, or whatever Toshiba Remote Control. I know you need to replace it and do it quickly, and I'm here to help you. My name is Chuck, and this is electronicadventure.com. Folks, if you want to order a remote control and have it ship out today or the next business day, this is all you have to do. Just go right down below this video, look for the link, and click on it, and zip, your order will ship out probably today or the next business day. And that's it. You look behind me, you'll see we have over 300,000 brand new original remotes in our warehouse, which means when you order your Toshiba remote or any other brand remote control, they're going to ship out either the same or next business day. That's 99% of the time. Plus, folks, what a great promotion we have running right now. When you get to the checkout page and it says enter coupon code, this time you have one to enter. Just put in the word remote and then the number 5, and you are going to get $5 off your order. And also, folks, so you can shop here with complete confidence, we have a return policy that goes like this. For any reason, for 30 days, return your remote control, and we'll give you $100. We won't give you $100, folks. We'll give you all your money back on your order, and that's for 30 days for any reason. So once again, it's pretty simple to shop here. Just go right down below the video, click on that link, and it'll take you right to the checkout where you can order your remote, or you can call the 800 number you see on top of your screen, and that'll get you to a friendly operator. Folks, thank you so much for shopping with electronicadventure.com.